G'day, Steve here, Woodworking Masterclass. I have got the easiest tip that's going to save you an absolute packet and give you brownie points into the bargain. It is so easy to do, so effective, and yet not many people know how to do it. How many people have had water rings on tables or sideboards or planters where you've had a vase or a wine glass or a can of beer and you leave it there and the condensation sits there, and then when you lift it up it's still a bit wet and you sort of, rub the excess water off on the floor, and you come back the next day and there's a white ring underneath it. Very hard to get out. So that's what they look like, those things there, and I'll show you how to get it out. I've used some products that say they get out water rings or glass stem rings, but I haven't found them as effective as this. What you'll need is a heat gun. Now, a good hairdryer might do it. I don't know, but I'm using a heat gun. I've set it on 4, and I'm going to go on slow speed. Now, the deal with this is you don't leave it in the one spot for too long, or else you'll blister the varnish. But what I'm hoping to achieve is instant results, and you're back to a brand new piece of furniture. So let's go over to where the action is. That table there, and we'll take the rings out. There we go. Watermarks, rings, stains, drips. Heat gun set on number 4, which isn't the highest setting. We could use the highest setting, but 4 seems to work. And on slow speed, turn it on. I'll try this a little bit here. If you're unsure, test it on an area you're not going to see. There you go, gone. Actually, I'll pump up the speed a bit, might go a bit quicker. There you go, this big one here. You've got to keep the gun moving at all times, or else you'll blister the paint. This poor old table's about 50 years old, so it should really get a restain and a re-coat, which I might do down the track. We might as well finish the whole table off. Don't touch the areas you've just done because they will be very, very hot. And the lucky last one here. Hang on, I've got a bit there. There you go. All done. How easy is that? So that's the tip of the week. How to get rid of water rings or ring stains on furniture. Heat gun. I wouldn't go the top setting. The top setting is about 550 degrees on my heat gun. I think if you go a little bit below that, you minimise the risk of getting any damage. And then you'll end up with a table that has no ring marks on it. All right, I'll catch you later. This is Steve pulling the shed door down and saying, remember to keep it sharp and more importantly, keep it safe. Look after yourself. Don't forget the heat gun and never touch that end because it's very, very hot. And I look forward to having you in the workshop again very, very soon. Bye for now.